Hello friends, welcome to my channel 5-minute class. Now in this video we'll learn the frequency count method for analyzing the algorithm. So in this video we'll take some algorithm and find out how this method is used for finding the complexity of the algorithm. Okay, so first algorithm we are taking as sum of all the elements of the array. So here data is an array with n number of elements. Okay, so for example, if I take an array and suppose n is taken as 4 and some elements are like that. So what this algorithm doing? This is basically finding the sum of elements. So let us analyze time taken by this algorithm. So how to do? So the answer is the frequency count method. Okay, so here the time taken by algorithm can be calculated by assigning 1 unit of time to each statement, and if a statement is repeatedly if the statement is repeating for some number of times, then frequency of the statement will be taken as the time taken by the execution of that statement. So this is a simple statement. This will take 1 unit of time. This is also a simple statement. This will also take a 1 unit of time. Now let us see this for loop statement. Inside this we have got 3 expressions. One is initialization expression. This will be executed for only one time. This would be executed for n times, and this would be checked for n plus 1 times. Okay, so a total time taken by this particular loop will be 2n plus 2, but we can ignore. We are just bother about this conditional statement, that is only n plus 1. So we can ignore this time taken by I equals to 1 or increment operation. Okay, so we can just consider n plus 1, and this statement which is coming inside this for loop, how much time this will be executed? This will be executed for n times. So the time function can be calculated as the sum of all of these times. So it is 1 plus n plus 1, this plus n, and this plus 1. So it is 2n plus 3. So the time function is represented by f of n, that is equals to 2n plus 3. So what is the degree of this polynomial? Time function is 2n plus 3. What is the degree of this polynomial? That is 1. So we represent the time complexity with the help of big O notation, and it is called as order of n. Means we just consider the term with the highest degree, that is n. So it is called as order of n. Space complexity. How to find the space complexity of this algorithm? We just list all of the variables used in this algorithm. They are like data, n, sum, I, and n. So data is an array with n elements. N is the variable which holds a single value. It is a scalar variable, so its capacity is only 1. It takes also 1 unit of memory. It also takes 1 unit of memory, and this also take one unit of memory. I think n is already taken. So what is the space complexity? That is S of n equals to n plus 3. So this can also be represented as order of n. Okay, thank you.